Hey there, AI engineers. Are you ready to take your career to the next level? If you've got over 5 years of experience in AI and machine learning, and you're looking for an exciting opportunity in Pune, India, then keep watching. I'm thrilled to introduce iGlobal, your go-to recruitment agency for top-notch AI talent. We have multiple open positions for AI engineers who are ready to jump in and make an impact. So, what are we looking for? Let's dive into the details. First and foremost, you should have a solid understanding of engineering ethics and AI creation ethics. Time management skills are crucial, and you must be dedicated to delivering high-quality work. Teamwork and effective communication are key, as you'll be collaborating with diverse teams. Got outstanding analytical and problem-solving skills? Perfect. You'll need those, along with a passion for innovation. Familiarity with model chain libraries like LangChain and expertise in database management systems such as Postgres and Redis are essential. But that's not all. We're seeking candidates who are well-versed in software engineering practices and have experience with LLM and foundational models on AWS and Azure platforms. If you've handled unstructured data, applied machine learning techniques, and have experience with NLP within the context of large language models, we want to hear from you. You'll also be managing model serving and lifetime management, including accuracy testing and prompt engineering to guide AI models effectively. Knowledge of AI and ML best practices for model building, automation, neural network enrichment, iterative learning, and black box problem solving is a must. Deep proficiency in Python and asynchronous programming, along with software development principles, algorithms, data structures, and design patterns is crucial. You'll need to write and maintain test cases to ensure code quality and deploy using pipelines. Experience with cloud platforms like AWS or Azure and distributed computing is a big plus. Proficiency with Git for version control and collaborative development is required, as well as strong problem-solving skills to troubleshoot and resolve software issues effectively. Excellent communication skills for clear and concise interaction with team members and stakeholders are also essential. And if you're familiar with Agile and Scrum methodologies, even better. If you're excited about this opportunity and meet the criteria, don't wait. Share your CV with us at vikrant@iglobal.com and click the link to join our job channel and take the next step in your career today. Your future awaits. And hey, don't forget to share this video with anyone you think might be interested in finding their dream AI job. Thanks for watching, and let's make AI magic happen in Pune.